Hello everyone, my name is Anil along with my teammates. In this video, we will demonstrate the installation and working of Apache Hadoop on Windows. To install Apache Hadoop, we need to install Java. So firstly, we have to check in our system there is Java or not. So first we will tap on command, write command on Windows, and then type Java, and then you will see there is Java no recognize. It means there is no Java installed in our file. So it means there is no Java, and now we will install. First open the browser and then download and install Java add. And after that we got first link, we will tap on it, and there is see in below the scroll it Windows, and there is tap on download. Then it's starting the download and it's downloading now, and it will, depending on your network sake, it will be take time. Then after that just close it and then see the Java icon, then we will click on that, and there is, just wait for the yes. Then after that next, tap next. So choose the path. First important thing is choosing a path, right path is important. So there is CV program files, so, and don't take space on it, so otherwise it will get errors. So first we will uh, make new folder on C, and then we will tap JDK and then next, then it will be completing. Yes, then after that it will be change the set the path, and then we will in C folder, new folder JRE, and tap OK, and then click on next. Then it's installing Java, and after that we will close that. The Java is fully installed. Now the most important thing is need to set up environments for our variable environment, sorry. And then we will search here edit environment variables, then go to the environment system, touch on the path and edit and tap new, and browse where is your file, the JDK and bin, and tap OK, and then OK and OK, and then start. We will see the next step, important step. There is, we need to check it is set up or not Java. Then tap it and you will see the many lines come in our screen, and then again version we need to check, and that will also work, and then closed. After that it is download. Now we have to download Apache Hadoop. To go to the Chrome browser, Apache download, first link will you see, then go to the that binary download 3.6 and type in binary, and then you will get first link and tap it on. It will get 5 to 10 minutes, but if your speed is good, this will be download fast. And it's downloading now, and let it wait, let me wait. Yeah, now we have to extract the files, but first uh, you have to 7-zip file manager to extract the files. So now we have to Hadoop 3.36 tar zz, so we have to extract it, that file, and click on OK. After that it's completing now, and it's yeah. Now yes, we will extract again, the two files will extract it. If you extract it then again extract it, so two times you have to extract it, remember that. And after that close it, and our extracted file is completed. Now we have to open this is PCs, and move it to the C in our, yes. So you can see there is our file, and tap it on it, tap it on it. Hadoop is done. We need to uh, set environment also. So edit environment. Now environment variable same for that path, and create new, and then tap browse the Hadoop you have just installed now, and okay, and a new. Again we have to install, so XML file we also need. So find where is the XML file which we have stored in our system, and yes, we have done it. Yeah, Hadoop is the completely not installed now. We have to some supporting past Hadoop DLL. We also need that. So for that we will just browse and go to the, just type the Ventuals Hadoop download, and you will get first link it up here, and then you can download it. And after that, yes, and then you can see 3.36 bin, and then you will be Hadoop delay. So it is done, and then after that I will download and it will be get downloaded. Yes, and after that it will be downloaded. Now we have to, after downloading, the two files are downloaded, sorry, Hadoop deal and exe. We will now copy that and into my PC on C programs in Hadoop's bin, and after that we will paste it on bin, Hadoop bin. Yes, so we have completed till this. Okay, now we have to required a Hadoop run. Okay,
So modify the file and core, do the modification and property added, name dot default f3 file, we have to add that. So the whole site dot xml, we define that default file localhost and is the HTML local first, and using the local file system we, and we use the local 9000 which use the HTML file names, and we use the next file, that is maplesite.html modification, and the medal file use on. So here we specify which file we are on setting. Let's move to the next file, that is html site.html. Let's do the modification. So this file controls the storage application and directories. The DFS application specifies the data, how many times get multiplied. So we have to setting the tones by default second. Here the name node and the data node. Location has been set. This is the local file system. Make sure you use the forward slash and backward slash in the path. As you see in the created the do folder, may download that. This is you store the of the name node then data node, which include the file names and permissions. Data node stores connected to the data store. Let's save it and move to the next file. Let's do the modification. Figures the situation, manage the resources, and
So int is fine to configures services which manages stock redstone entity zones specifies node managing, and we have to specify Java environment default Suffer is implemented over here. So let's save file and move to edit in the Hadoop environment. Open the in any editor. We will use Notepad here as follows. Here, find the Java home. So over here, as you have seen, the Java home is set as the variable. We did not create this variable, so we will create it. Let's create its variable. Edit environment variable new. We need to go to directory testpg ctk. So now the Java home is also set. If it did not work, we need to build directory setup out here. So the next step is to format the name of the node. Open in let's open in CMD. Make sure you log in as an administrator. So so the command goes like it will format name node. If any confirmation type service are the demo Hadoop, you need to type the start to CMD, it's start or CMD. It will open multiples CMD in which the name of the node is specified. Search, minimize storage, and go to Chrome and go to URL localhost 9870. It will open the name node or the data node or text code and the other URL. You can go to localhost. It will open the text code for the node manager. So both of them are running. To check the services that it's running, you can go to simply type cps command. It will. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you.